Is your Samsung TV remote acting unresponsive, refusing to change the channel or adjust the volume? Don't let a dead remote control disrupt your viewing experience. Today, we're diving into how to get your Samsung TV remote reconnected and back in business. First things first, let's address the most common culprit: the batteries. Gently slide open the battery compartment on the back of your remote. Remove the old batteries and insert fresh ones, making sure to match the positive and negative terminals according to the markings inside the compartment. Sometimes, a simple battery refresh is all it takes. Now, try pressing a button on your remote to see if the connection is re-established. If it's still not working, don't worry, we have more tricks up our sleeve. For many Samsung TVs, especially smart remotes, repairing involves bringing the remote very close to the TV sensor. Locate the small IR sensor or the designated pairing area on your TV, usually found on the bottom edge. With the new batteries in place, hold your remote within a few inches, ideally directly in front of this sensor. Now, press and hold both the back button and the play pause button on your remote simultaneously for about 15 to 30 seconds. You might feel a slight vibration or see a small light on the remote indicate it's attempting to pair. Keep holding them until you see a confirmation message on your TV screen or until the remote begins to control the on-screen cursor. For models with voice control, this is the key step. If that didn't do the trick, you might need to manually unpair and repair through your TV settings. Navigate to your TV settings menu, typically found by pressing the home button on your remote. Look for the General Settings option. Within General, find and select Device Management. Here, you should see an option for remote control. Select that. If your remote is listed, select it and choose Unregister or Delete once unpaired. Repeat the pairing process we just discussed, holding the back and play pause buttons close to the TV. And there you have it. Your Samsung TV remote should now be reconnected and responsive, putting you back in full control of your entertainment. Happy viewing.